Energy Ring is a customizable application that uses the punching camera of the Galaxy S10 to show the battery life of your phone. Located by Android Police, the application presents a small ring around the lens, and can customize the color, thickness, direction and even 25% of the load increments is something really functional and visual. You can disable the indicator in situations where it would be a double distraction, such as watching movies or playing games in full screen mode, so that it does not become annoying after a while, since originally the S10 camera was supposed to be a discreet way to put a camera on a full-screen smartphone screen, with no need for anything else. The developer of the application has been developing custom battery indicators for Android for some time, including Energy Bar and a version for Galaxy S8 per second 9 devices, but the Energy Ring application could be your best work so far.